Hi, I'm Landon, and I'll be walking you through how to use the Entries feature in Zamplo. Entries are used to document, organize, and store your health information, whether it's current symptoms, notes, or medications. Entries allow you to virtually document anything regarding your health. Within Zamplo, our Routines feature allows you to create reoccurring entry templates. To learn more about the difference between entries and routines, check out our other video. To get started, open the Zamplo app. From the dashboard, navigate towards the bottom and click on the orange Add button. Then click on Entries. Here you will see options for New Entry and Lab Reports. These are the two options available for creating entries from scratch. The type of information that can be added to these two options is the same, but Lab Reports allows you to specify the type of report, such as a CT scan or MRI report, and add a contact or provider associated with it. You can also select one of the check-ins to create entries from one of the previous routines you have made. Based on what you want to make entries for, click one of the options. For this tutorial, we will select New Entry. Start by naming your entry. Using the tab on the left, fill out any sections below that contain relevant information, such as medications, notes, or health data. For this tutorial, we will input insomnia medication, wind down yoga as an activity, and a note to have a discussion with the doctor. If you have any attachments you want to include in a specific entry, navigate to the Attachments tab and select an attachment or click the Add button. Once you are finished adding your information to the entry, click Save. To view all your previously added entries, navigate towards the bottom of the screen from the dashboard and click on Entries. Here you can click on specific entries and add a to-do or attachment. You can also click the star in the upper right corner to favorite an entry so you can find and access it more easily. Additionally, clicking on the three dots in the upper right corner will allow you to copy the current entry's information into a new entry, convert that entry into a routine, edit, or delete the entry. And that's it. You now know how to add entries in Zamplo.